For the second method, this is what I have here. I have a strip here that is 1.25 wide, 1.25 wide, and the length is, I used 17 here, 16.75 here actually. But you can make use of any size you want. It can be longer than this depending on the size of rosette that you want. But I want this size. I want just this moderate size. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make use of my needle and thread. The first thing I'm going to do is just to make a fold here, like this, with the wrong side or the right side, I don't even know. So we then have the sides facing you. Just this side, just bend it like this to make a triangle. Then from this tip, just roll a bit. Trust me, it's not hard. Just roll, 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 roll till you get to this edge here. Then secure it with your needle and thread. It's not hard, believe me. Now we have this. Then this, fold it like this, with this side facing this side. Did you see that? Like this. Then let the side face this side. Then bend it over. Did you see that? Then with your needle and thread, just pick it like this. Then we're going to make loose stitches. Now, at this edge, you're going to repeat the same step. What you did the last time, you're going to do it again here. Just fold it here, like this. Fold it over, then bend. Then again, run some loose stitches. That is what we keep doing till we get to the end of this. Again, fold over, fold over. Can you see that? Fold over, bend this, and we run the loose stitches again. Again. So you keep doing that till you get to the end of this fabric. Then you just pull lightly, just to form gathers lightly. See? So when you are done, this is what you will have here. See? See what we have here? So you just pull lightly. It shouldn't be too tight. I'm trying to adjust this. So when you have this is what you have. See? When you keep doing that, this is what you have. This is what you have. Then when you are done with running the stitches, you'll have this. Then you start folding. This is, remember, this is the where we started from, where we rolled. Then just gently. Just roll over. Just roll, push this in, roll, 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 so we have, so this will go underneath. So we just made a small rose. So let's try and so we just made a small rose or a rosette. You may want to expand it a bit. So the next thing we're going to do is just to, like, I'm going to make like a small circle here. And cut off. I'm going to cut it out. So I'll go ahead to apply gum here. Stick it here. Then with the small scissors, I'm going to trim it out, ensuring that the edges here are concealed. Again, I'm going to draw a small circle with this, cut it out, and so again, somewhere around this place, I'm going to fix it. So this is all we have for the second method. Here, this. So let me know in the comment section which of the lapel pins do you prefer, the first method or the second method, and why. I'd like to know the reason why you prefer one to the other. Thank you for stopping by, and if you have found this video helpful, kindly subscribe. Thank you.